Sound healing therapy uses aspect of music to improve physical and emotional health and well-being. The person being treated partakes in the experience with a trained artist. Music therapy may involve listening to music, singing along to music, moving to the beats of the music, meditating, playing an instrument. Healing with sound is believed to date back to ancient Greece, when music was used in the attempt to cure mental disorders. Throughout history, music has been used to boost morale in military troops, help people work faster and more productive, and even ward off evil spirits by chanting. More recently, research has linked music to a number of healthy benefits from health benefits. More recently, research has linked to music to a number of health benefits from boosting immune functions and lowering stress levels to improving the health of premature babies. Music therapy uses different aspects of music to improve your mood. Music therapy uses different aspects to improve your emotional and physical.
So use करे sound तो भूल गए.
Sorry. Music therapy uses different aspects of sound to improve your emotional and physical well-being. How it works depends on the method you have been used. Most music therapy sessions are experienced one-on-one with a Most music therapy sessions are experienced one-on-one with a special trained artist. A session may involve sitting or lying down while listening to music or sound from a speaker or instruments, or having vibration applied using a special tool, such as tuning fork. Depending on the music method, you may be encouraged to participate by singing, moving, or even using an instrument, or you may need to remain still and quiet to let the sound take effect.
Take effect. Okay.
Depending. You may be encouraged to practice by listening.
Participate.
You may encourage. Depending on the method, you may be encouraged to participate by listening or moving. Depending on the method, you may encourage to participate by listening, moving, or even using a
कुछ भी बोलियो, कुछ भी, literally कुछ भी.
Even using a musical.
Participate by singing, moving.
Okay, by भूली गई, by खाई गई.
By नहीं, singing आज खाई गई थी, listening करना ही कुछ
ना, अच्छा, okay, sorry. Depending on the method, you may be encouraged to participate by singing, moving, or even using a musical instrument, or you may need to remain still and quiet to let the sound take efforts. Along with voice, the following are some of the different instruments used in music therapy: singing bowls, tuning fork, pan flute, harp, drums. Some methods use a variety of instruments in one session, which can include a guitar, piano, or other instruments. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Namaskaram.